In this video, we'll show you how to set up and add a new page to your website. Adding new pages that are visible on the navigation is a two-step process. The first step is to create the page and add content in the page builder. The easiest way to do this while still maintaining consistency in your website's design is to use an existing design layout and modify it to include the content for the new page. From the toolbar above the site, we can hover over the New button and click on the Page option. Another way to do this is under the Pages tab on the back end of the site, where you can click the Add New button. Once the new page is open in the editor, you'll want to make sure you add the page title. Then, click the purple Use the Divi Builder button if given the option. You'll be presented with three options: Build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, and clone an existing page. We strongly recommend using the third option, clone an existing page. You'll be taken to a window that allows you to choose a layout from one of your existing site pages. You can choose the page that best matches the layout of the page you wish to create. Clicking on a layout name will load the layout into the page. Once the layout has been loaded, click the Build on the Front End button to access the visual builder and modify the layout with your desired content and edits. Once you've set up and published the page, you'll need to add the page to the navigation menu. Exit the visual builder and head back to the dashboard by clicking on the name of the site in the upper left corner. Hover over the Appearance tab and click Menus. We'll go over managing navigation menus more in depth in another tutorial video, so we'll stick to the basics of adding a new page to your primary navigation for the purpose of this tutorial. Under the Select a Menu to Edit drop-down menu, select the menu you would like to add your new page to. In some cases, you may want to add the page to more than one menu, so you'll need to replicate these next steps for each navigation menu that you want to add it to. Once you have the menu loaded up, check the box next to the name of the page you wish to add to the menu under the Add Menu Items module list. Click the Add to Menu button, and the page will get added to the end of the menu. You may then drag and drop the page to the desired place on the navigation menu. Click the Save Menu button to save changes to the menu. Please stay tuned for the next lessons, including how to make more advanced changes to your navigation menu items.